Hello guys, I hope you guys can hear me. Hope you guys can hear me. Uh, we'll go to the chart straight away. This is 1 minute time from chart, by the way, or 5 minute. Sorry, this is 1 minute chart. We have seen that market has been quite bullish. Uh, uh, I hope so. Everything is fine. We have seen bullish price action from the market after 9:30, which is opening New York stock market opening. Well, we have knocked these relative equal highs, all of those local highs. I was just looking for this high, or maybe these all of those, just these highs, local highs for the bullish case scenario, or maybe continuation toward upside. Who knows? But it went further all the way toward upside, and then just on a bigger picture time frame, market is trading inside this 15-minute time frame fairly gap, or this is a 30-minute time frame big fairly gap as well. It's trading inside this range. If we watch out like that, this is how it is. It is market is performing. Uh, yeah. We don't need these levels for now, and on delta frame, if you watch out like that, we have seen that market opened, gone up, and then come down all the way, knocked these yesterday low and then Saturday low as well, and then went more of like going toward upside. You can say that because it has closed above Sunday, all of those red candles are bullish order blocks, and then overall structure of the market is already bullish on a bigger picture time frame. Tap into this daily fair value gap high as well today, and definitely when it is at trading at this range, you can look to buy. Definitely these are strong level of supports as well, monthly high, weekly high as well. You can anticipate or look for the market to buy at this point. Overall we are a little bit, this is monthly high, this one we have highlighted, and the weekly highs, this is a weekly high market has highlighted on weekly time frame. Because today's Monday, I'm anticipating that it should have to keep this really gap open, not to go below this low. This weekly price action I'm anticipating from here to month for the market to go toward upside. No, yes, last week high which it has done, this week high which is done, and all-time high which is what I'm aiming for the market to be knocked off this week. Or it is possible we could go way further toward upside as well. On a bullish case scenario, I am anticipating for the market to do something like this. While we're doing that, I really wanted to keep an eye on 1 minute time frame chart as well, because as this structure is quite bullish, and we have kept this 5 minute and 15-minute time frame gap open, 30-minute time frame gap open at these ranges. I want to see if market has a potential to invert this, because it is going to invert this fair value gap and try to knock this high, which is unlikely to me, or maybe not this high, maybe this high or weekly high. Or for the bearish case scenario, it is possible that it could create local top at this range and then could be more of like going down as well. If you watch out, like overall we're trading inside big range. This is the high, this is the low. So we can anticipate that market could spend quite a bit of time inside this range to either go to go anywhere in between. But if you watch out just on daily time frame, if it closes like that, I would be definitely bullish on tomorrow for the market to be good or upside. And yeah, it is also possible that market could remain sideways as well at this range. As overall structure of the market is already bullish, I would anticipate for the market to be bullish first of all. The second possibility could be sideways price action from the market. This is what it is I'm looking for right now, and we don't need this 4 hour down real gap, by the way. Definitely if we close like that, so we'll have a big 4 hour down real gap in there as well. you can anticipate that this could be the on daily time frame. This today's low could be the local bottom from the market on weekly time frame. Definitely, it should not have to go below this low. And tomorrow, all of those red candles will be bullish at a block. If, for example, today market failed to go knock the today's high or all-time high, tomorrow I would anticipate for the market to local bottom, hold at any of those highs, daily highs, those daily highs, red candles, and from those levels, I will be bullish on a market or upper side. And I wanted to highlight more of like a weekly time frame. We have anything. We'll go to 1 minute time frame. We'll keep an eye on 1 minute time. As it is going up, I'm looking for the market to go for the continuous momentum toward upward side right now. The 5 minute time frame like a market has created. Let's see inverting this 5 minute time frame for a gap and then try to knock this high and that high as well if it is possible, because overall structure of the market is bullish. That's why. And yeah, that's how it is. Like I am watching and observe just on a bigger picture time frame. um Weekly time frame again, not anticipating for the market to go below slow. This should be the local bottom on weekly time frame. Information should be bullish to knock the today's highs and all-time high, or maybe for the continuation toward up. So other possibility we are anticipating a sideways price action from 4 hour time frame as well. We have sorry, daily time frame as well. We are anticipating this is should be the local bottom. Market had into this high daily favorable gap high. From here, we are anticipating for the market to go to the upper side to knock today's high, maybe all-time high as well for the bullish case scenario. Just to keep the things as simple as much as we can. And there's only one thing I really want to discuss right now is if you watch our 4 hour time frame, we have this quiet bearish divergence, just that divergence from the market. Price has gone up. RSI is showing weakness on chart. That's how it is. Like I'm watching right now, market is creating bearish divergence on 4 hour time frame. The only thing that could send the price toward downward side is this bearish divergence. But I'm not really confident on this bearish divergence. The reason is overall structure of the market is already bullish, and the way we are trading very close to the previous high, at that point it is difficult to say that market could be going down from here. It is difficult to say that. If, for example, if market this would have been a ideal bearish divergence, it should have to create this high and it should have to tends to be bearish. Knock, it has already knocked all of those lows, but it should not have to recover as much. Should have to aggressively going down and down and down toward lows. Yes, it has gone down at this point. We have seen aggressive price action, but market did not continue its aggressive price action toward downward side. Something like it should have to do this. At that point, you can say that market has knocked the highs, come back inside the range, aggressively going down. It should have to continue to be bearish. This kind of price action should have to form. If that bearish divergence would have been for valid, then this would have been local top on the market. But we have seen that aggressive bullish price action from the market as well when we're trading very close to the previous highs right now. So those highs could be knocked at any point. That's why while it was going down to low levels from here, I was anticipating in my mind. I was like, market will knock all of those lows and it could go all the way to 95 to 98 here the range from here. I tweeted this as well, but it recovered well in this morning session. We have seen that from the market. The way it has recovered well, we could be bullish as well, bullish or sideways. The only thing is for me right now market could be bearish is this bearish divergence, which is what market has performed. This is this 1 minute time frame favorable gap, and on bigger picture time frame, uh, on 4 hour time frame, if you watch out, like we're trading inside big range now. This is the high, this is the low, and overall, if you watch out, still bullish, creating low high, another low high. Market has created this range, and from this daily favorable gap as well, we should have to be bullish from here toward upper side, but it is not mandatory that maybe market has to not to knock the all-time high. This could be the high from the market. It could be remain very sideways and then roll down as well. Made major pullback toward low levels and then be bullish. This is also possible from the market. We cannot deny this. Uh, yeah, there are quite a bunch of possibilities that could played out on the market. We cannot deny this. But as we're bullish, we should have to anticipate or expect from the market to be bullish from here toward upper side. 4 hour time frame, we have the high as this one, quite far from the price action right now. Yes, we cannot say that market could be bullish from here because success bullish. We're going up toward upper side, and but it was also possible that market could spend some time inside this range and then be bullish as well. Or it is possible that uh, for bearish case scenario, maybe this could be the high bearish divergence market is forming at this bearish divergence. This could be the high market remain sideways and then roll down as well toward low levels. As we are bullish, I would anticipate from the market to be bullish from. For example, if it has to be bullish from here, and the first reason is bullish because these are the lows. It should not have to go below this low. And on bigger picture time frame, if we are trying to predict the market, it should not have to go below this low. It is possible it could remain sideways at this range. Create highs very close to each other, and then eventually I want to see bullish first section toward upper side. And as we have seen that on shorter term time frame, market is quite bullish. Maybe it invert this 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame really gap as well at here. And we have seen the short term time frame market is quite bullish and then could be bullish from here as well to what upper side. It is also possible. If it has to do this kind of pressing, it should have to invert this fair value gap because it is going on has kept this 15-minute time frame gap open. It should have to invert this 15-minute time frame fairly gap and then tends to be bullish to knock all of those highs. This is also possible. In that case scenario, definitely we would anticipate that you should have to keep this fairly gap open and look to invert this 15-minute time frame fairly gap or maybe 30-minute time frame fairly gap as well. This one for bearish case scenario, like which it should have to show no intent to go above this high. It should not have to go above this high. It could be remain sideways, then eventually be bearish, or maybe it is because it's a 30-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well. Market has formed. Could create a local top at this range, come back down sideways for a second, then be bearish. To anticipate for the market to from here to aggressively bearish, it is unlikely to me that could play out. So the possibilities are could be aggressively bullish, could remain sideways at this range, then be bullish, could remain sideways at this range, then be bearish as well. These are three possibilities right now I'm anticipating for the market to do. We're trading right now inside a quite big range now. So market could spend it some time at this range. And I really want to see if we have a news. Tomorrow we have no news. I think we have a news on Thursday. Okay, we have a news. So we're from a 1 minute time frame charts right now. It's a 5 minute time frame. We're trading at 50% of the range right now. Uh, on 1 minute time frame, like forgot about everything. That's why uh, I would like to do one thing is after doing all of those analysis on bigger picture time frame, all of those possibilities and the probabilities. Sometimes it is very confusing and which way market could go from any of those points, and then in that case scenario I just forgot about everything. I keep in my mind the big picture time frame levels. I go to 1 minute time frame, watch the local structure on 1 minute time frame. This is bullish. I go to 5 minute 15-minute time frame, draw levels, really gaps everything, and we have nothing on 5 minute 15-minute time frame at this range. If you watch it like that, 5 minute time frame we have this very gap, but 15-minute time frame we have nothing on our charts. And a 30-minute time frame as well, we have this fairly gap at the bottom. So we have just highlighted this, and on top of us we knew that we have this massive 30-minute time frame gap on a charts right now. I would like to draw that. I would like to draw that. Sorry guys, I don't know, I have some problems going on with me. And we have this. Sorry guys, can't do anything about that. So we have, this is a big 30-minute time frame gap as well. So on top of us, we are trading right now more for like we are rejecting from that level as well. So bullish case scenario, we are anticipating for the market to invert this 5-minute time frame gap, and then go to the 50% of this range, and then try to bullish upper level, weekly level, and then for the upper side level as well. And for bearish case scenario on 1-minute time frame is, and we are not confident on this as well. I'm not confident on this as well. So we can be bullish from here. If you're bullish from here, we'll look for this high, maybe 50% of this 30-minute down for fairly gap, or up for the level. This could be, you can look for the market to trade on like that for small amount of trade. For bearish case scenario, all of those lows, I'm not confident on all of those lows. This low, this low, these lows as well. These lows could be the reason for the market to be going down. It is not meant here that it has to knock all of those lows, but it is possible that it could be coming back down as well. How it could be come down? Maybe it show rejection from the settlement level gap, and then come down to knock all of those lows as well on short term time frame. So that's how I am anticipating for the market to perform on short term time. That's how actually I would say that that's how I actually like to do. But everybody has a different style on trading. I have seen so many traders. It's trading is one thing, I believe so, and the more of like psychology or learning how to be disciplined, focused. These are the things on other side which are very important. So everybody has different style. Everybody has different mindset. Or whenever they open the charts, at some point, those people are who's making money. They are doing something with their own style of how they want it to do the trading. So, but the most important thing matters is that your psychology, or you, if you are, how much disciplined you are, or how much are you risking, how much are you looking forward in a market, not backward. So these are the important, how much time you're spending on charts, how much you focus you are, how much all of those things, how much risk management are you willing to put on. In the end, it's all about more of like psychology, focused, discipline, be patient, have your own circle, have a peace inside you. No matter what is happening around you, you just stay focused. You put your heads down, and then you go for trading. That's it. And keep your mind open all the time. That's how it should be trading. Uh, this is what we are trying to learn as well. As this structure is quite bullish, I would not anticipate or expect for the market to knock the previous lows and then be bullish, and not expect that. I should have to be bullish like that. It means like this could be the low. It means this could be the low. Market will not go below this low from here. Market will be bullish going all the way to the upper side, and we can not deny this. It is possible. 50% of the range or upper level we are aiming for. This high, all of those highs. This is how it is. I am anticipating. We are anticipating from the market. The reason is, I will be not confident to take any kind of trade is the element of time, which is 2 o'clock. This is more for like afternoon session, afternoon time going on. Uh, Around about 12 to 4 o'clock is the afternoon session time. So this is afternoon session going on in a New York time, and what was the market as 12 to 12:30, it went down and then went further to the upper side. I'm not confident on this side at least. This high could be knocked. We don't know how, we don't know when. Can I buy at this point considering the fact that this high should have to be knocked, and we are trading at up for the level of this 5 minute time frame fairly gap as well. Should have to knock this out. Let's see if it has a potential. I'm just watching and observing. I'm anticipating that from here market should have to knock this high at least, and you can put your stop loss below this candle. My imagination stop loss is there. I'm looking for just this high. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. I think it will knock those this high, yeah. That high, yeah. After that, we will see 50% of the this 30 minute average fairly gap. And I really wanted to discuss morning session as well today with you guys. How market has performed in the morning session, and yeah, the weekly today's opening, yeah, Monday's opening as well, which was 1 a.m. in the night London time, was the new day or new weekly open candle. After that, how market has performed, we'll discuss that as well. So I think though this high will be knocked. I wanted to see this high should be knocked, and so this is how it is market has performed. um, so that point late in a Sunday, market was approximately trading at this range. Uh, Saturday market has created all of those lows. Sunday after the opening went toward upper side. I was like, when it come down at this range, I was like, I'm not confident on all of those lows. These lows could be knocked and this area as well. But from here, market went up aggressively, knock this high, and knock the weekly high as well. After the new day opening, right now it will show 21. So I wanted to, we'll go for this time, London time. At this point, the market opened, went toward upper side, knocked this weekly high as well. I was looking for all-time high as well from here, coming back down inside the range. This pink area, this purple lines was the 30-minute hourly gap market has created. While it was trading at this range, I was telling myself that I am not confident on all of those local lows at this point. I'm not saying this low, but I'm not confident on all of those lows. This low, all of those local lows at this point, and this low, I'm not confident on. It could be knocked the way market has come back, gone up and come back inside the range. This is the thing we have to figure out right now is how it could knock all of those. Maybe it will wait for the New York session, then go down, or it go down from here, or it could make a retest toward upper side, get low high, then go down as well. These are the questions I was like more of like I was asking myself how it could go down. I was not really watching the charts at this point, but after that I've seen that market invert this 30-minute fair value gap, show rejection from low level, and then going down and down and down, going down, 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 knocking all of those lows. At this point, definitely I would have gone for a short. If I would have gone for a short, definitely I would have looked for all of those local lows. I was not confident on all of those lows. Could have been a good trade, by the way. Could have been a good trade, but not easy trade because you don't know if market will go now to low levels because it's the new day, it's Monday, and it's the new weekly opening candle as well. Market has just formed, and then could be completely sideways or choppy at this range. We cannot deny this. We have seen that, and after that it went down to, and if you watch out closely this first section, it's not easy to trade that. The reason is you can go for a short because this was last weekly high as well, show rejection, 30-minute after gap as well, 3-minute after. If you are really looking for the market to knock it could knock all of those lows. At that point, you can anticipate or expect for the market to go for a short. And yeah, looking for all of those shorts toward low levels from here. There's no denying that. So this could have been a short at that point. You cannot deny this. Could have been a short. 30-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame gaps, everything is there. 3-minute time frame gap as well. Market went down aggressively toward dollars from here. And then we are here right now. After the honestly morning session as well. Morning session it was not easy to trade. Yeah, this is what I was watching. This guy. He was already bullish today. Yes, you can say that you could have been bullish at that point for this high, these local highs, this high, maybe these highs, but maybe it could be for going all the way to the upper side as well. But these highs you could have been bullish, and before the opening, market was already trading at around about at this range. 930 I wanted to go to 936. It was this one, uh, but it opened and then went straight away to the upper side. This is how it is difficult to trade that. You can say that this stop loss below this week could have been a trade. This is 932 candle, 930 market open in here, 28, 29, 30 open in here. You put your stop loss below this low, and you can buy considering the fact that it could knock all of those highs, this high as well, those highs as well, and those highs. And then it went to the upside. It could have been a buy as well in the morning session. Buy it here, 102 500, approximately 103 500, $1,000 move, and then to continue to be bullish all the way to the upside. I don't think so. Like the way I have highlighted this area for the bearish case scenario, market may not go below this low. I think so. It may not go down all the way to this low. It may not go down all the way to this low. I think so. This is look at this. This is bad. This is just now we was anticipating from the market to from here it should have to knock this high. Then market has come upward level of 50% of the range. We are looking for the market to knock these two previous highs. Maybe the 50% of the range as well at here. If you draw fib from this is the 105,700 approximately. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. Inverting this favorably gap, we can anticipate these lows, this low. And I want to see 5-minute time frame. We have anything. We have nothing on 5-minute time frame. We can anticipate this low. This low you can anticipate. These lows could we anticipate from the market for the bearish case scenario. Right now we don't have nothing. Nothing. Just watching and observing the charts. Not pushing the buttons. Not confident to go for any kind of trade. And then the reason is there's the element of time is not there, and market is quite choppy right now at the moment. Overall, we're bullish. We have seen that London session market has been quite bearish early in the morning. morning session, New York session, market was bullish. This is afternoon session going on. We have seen a quite big move on those sessions, both morning and evening. Sorry, morning and early morning, and the sorry, London and New York time. So we can anticipate choppy price action in the afternoon session and the Asian session as well. And tomorrow we have no news. We can anticipate for the uh, we have no news tomorrow as well. 2021 we have no news as well. Wednesday, Thursday we have news. So we have to keep those in our minds as well. This week market, if market will not be bullish, if it has to not knock the all-time high this week, it is going to be very it's going to be very choppy. I'm telling you guys. If it is not bullish, that's why it's going to be very much choppy. I'm telling you. Let's see if market hold this area and try to note those levels for these two highs for the bullish case scenario. Sure, rejection from here could be going down to these lows. Market is quite choppy and sloppy right now at the moment. And this is what I'm thinking about. I have to go for sleep and I have to upload a shot as well. I really wanted to wake up early in the morning tomorrow, and then yeah, I think I should be quick enough. I have to go to early job, early sleep, early wake up. We have to do all of those things. This is what I'm thinking about. I'll try to spend just an hour in a gym. We'll see. So, guys, I think so. I should learn this live stream. There's no point sitting in front of the charts in this boring press section. We have our alerts on. We'll keep an eye on that, and then we have not taken any trade today. We have not taken trade up till last Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday. Last 2 days, Tuesday we took a couple of trades. It was like my trades was not good, but overall end up being a positive. I did not want to really focus on that, but I really want to be in the present moment. Try to focus on now. But Thursday we missed a trade. After that we do not trade. Friday we do not trade. Saturday, Sunday we do not trade. Monday we do not trade up till now. And then we'll see if this is what I was thinking about. I really wanted to spend at least 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, 4 hour in front of the charts today. If it remain boring, I'll miss sleep, then wake up early, and then will be focusing most probably on charts from tomorrow because I have not been into sleep for 4 to 5 days. I was sick. I was working day shift, night shift, early in the morning, 12 a.m. I was working up till 7, 6, 10 to 5 working in the daytime. and then nighttime 9 to early in the morning 7 a.m. working, and then 10 to 5 again working in the daytime Sunday. And like today is Monday, and again Sunday in the night 9 to 9 in the night to 7 in the morning Sunday night working, 7 in the morning Monday we finish 7 in the morning, and Monday we have 10 to 5 working. Now I come back home. I have no night shift today. They asked me for that today as well. They asked me for that. Can you do night shift, bro? I was like, bro, no way. I need rest, bro. I have not been to sleep for 4 or 5 days. Thursday, I think Thursday, I did not sleep. I just sleep for 2 hours on Thursday, and then after that, just sleeping 2 hour, 1 hour, sleeping in a chair, sleeping on a floor, sleeping on a couch, having a nap. Always disturbed up till now. So that's why I was sick as well. I was really sick. I was really sick. Yesterday I feel better. I had medicine. I have a quick nap at my job. Thanks to God, I have a job. Full time. My full time job is like a little bit easy. You can have take a rest as well. You can use mobile, laptop, and then do another stuff as well. Thank God to that. Yeah. So look at this. This is what I was thinking about. Like if this is the bottom and then market from here going up to try to knock those highs because it was bullish, and market show rejection from here, create high, knock this low. Let's see it has a potential to knock these two lows and this low as well for the bearish case scenario. Stop loss should be above this high now. It should not have to go above this high. Could go up to the upper side, show rejection from the low level, and then go down. It will be great if market tends to go down, but it is possible it could go to the upper side. I want to see rejection from this area and then go down. It will be great if it tends to go down straight away going down from here. You should not have to respect this level. I do not want to see that if it has to go down. This is how it is. We are watching an observing charts, and this week I would say that I have a goal is to do 2 or 3 good trades. I'm anticipating more of like sideways for a second, if not bullish, more of like sideways per section in this week from the market. In that case scenario, we may not get a very good trades, but if I get very small trades, I'll take that. And then the other thing is I am really looking to have a 2 or 3 positive trades, and I will really look forward to trade in through my own account as well. This is what I was thinking, but I really have to start pushing my own account as well. But definitely we will think about if we have to do demo, because and then I will really try to push my own account as well. And we have this month, I just wanted to do 4 to 5 good trades on my own personal account. That's it. This would be my goal on this month. 3 to 5 good trades on my own personal account apart from demo. And then yeah, so I'm pushing myself for 3 months, May, June, July, to make myself capable enough to start making money on my own personal account. Start making money means 50, 100 in a month, £50 in a month, £100 in a month, £200 roundabout. Very small amount of target I wanted to give myself in a month. I want to start making money. This is my goal. Maybe, and then after that we'll look forward for further further prosecutor episode. So I'll catch you guys later. I'll catch you guys tomorrow Yeah, we will be doing live stream tomorrow in the new session. I have off. No, I have a job, but I have to go at late, like 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon time, and then we will see if we will have potential. We'll see, like I have to see the market on that day as well. I have to go rushed into the gym, come back home, and then have to do upload short, and then we'll sleep early. And I really wanted to wake up